Hi friends, welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1. Story 9. The Crows and the Cobra, Level 1. A crow and his wife lived on a big tree. They built a nest on the top branch. The crow's wife laid eggs in the nest. A cobra lived in a hole at the bottom of the tree. The cobra was very cruel. He climbed up and ate the eggs. The crows were very sad. They wanted to save their babies. The crows thought of a clever plan. One day, the crow flew to the king's palace. He saw the princess bathing in the garden. She had a gold chain. The crow picked up the chain and flew away. He dropped the chain into the cobra's hole. The guards of the princess ran after the crow. They saw the chain in the hole. They dug the hole to take it back. They found the big cobra inside. The guards killed the cobra at once. The crows were very happy. Soon, the crow's wife laid eggs again. This time, the eggs were safe. The babies grew and played in the nest. The crows lived happily on the tree. Moral: clever thinking can solve big problems. On nest, a bird's home. Example 1. The crow made a nest on the tree. Example 2. I saw eggs in the nest. 2. Cobra, a big poisonous snake. Example 1. The cobra lived in a hole. Example 2. People are afraid of the cobra. 3. Cruel, unkind, causing pain. Example 1. The cobra was cruel to the crows. Example 2. It is cruel to hurt animals. 4. Guard, a person who protects. Example 1. The guard stood at the gate. Example 2. The guards of the princess ran fast. 5. Chain, a series of metal rings. Example 1. The princess wore a gold chain. Example 2. I have a silver chain. 6. Dig, to make a hole in the ground. Example 1. The men dug the hole. Example 2. I dig the soil in the garden. Level 2. Story 9. The Crows and the Cobra. Level 2. Long ago, a crow and his wife lived in a tall tree near a village. At the bottom of the same tree, a cobra had made its home in a hole. The crows built a nest at the top branch and laid their eggs there. But whenever the eggs were laid, the cruel cobra climbed up and ate them. The crows were heartbroken. They wanted to save their little ones, but the cobra was strong and dangerous. One day, the crows made a clever plan. The male crow flew to the king's palace. In the royal garden, the princess was bathing. She had kept her gold chain near the water. The crow quickly picked up the shining chain and flew away. He carried it straight to the cobra's hole and dropped it inside. Soon, the princess's guards noticed the chain was missing. They chased the crow and saw where it had fallen. They dug the hole to take out the chain. There they found the big cobra. The guards killed the cobra and took the chain back. From that day, the crows lived happily. Their eggs were safe and their babies grew strong. Moral: intelligence is stronger than strength. 1. Heartbroken, very sad. Example 1. She was heartbroken when she lost her doll. Example 2. The crows were heartbroken when the cobra ate the eggs. 2. Dangerous, likely to cause harm. Example 1. The snake is dangerous. Example 2. Driving fast is dangerous. 3. Royal, related to a king or queen. Example 1. The princess lived in a royal palace. Example 2. I saw a royal crown in the museum. 4. Shining, giving light or bright. Example 1. The stars are shining in the sky. Example 2. The crow took the shining chain. 5. Chase, to run after someone. Example 1. The dog chased the cat. Example 2. The guards chased the crow. 6. Safe, not in danger. Example 1. I feel safe in my home. Example 2. The eggs were safe after the cobra died. Level 3. Story 9. The Crows and the Cobra of Level 3. A pair of crows lived on a tall tree beside a village. They built their nest high on a branch and laid eggs there. At the bottom of the same tree, a cobra lived in a dark hole. Each time the crows laid eggs, the wicked cobra crawled up and swallowed them. The crows were filled with sorrow but also anger. They knew they could not fight the cobra with strength. The crows decided to use wisdom instead. One day, the male crow flew to the royal palace. In the garden, the princess was bathing. She had placed her golden necklace on the ground. The crow swiftly picked it up in his beak and flew away. He dropped the necklace into the cobra's hole. When the princess's guards noticed the missing necklace, they ran after the crow. They reached the tree and saw where the necklace had fallen. To recover it, they dug the hole. Inside, they discovered the fierce cobra. The guards killed the snake and returned the necklace to the princess. From that day, the crows lived in peace. Their eggs were safe and their young ones grew happily. Moral: wisdom and cleverness can defeat even the strongest enemy. 1. Wicked, very bad or evil. Example 1. The wicked man cheated others. Example 2. The cobra was wicked and ate the eggs. 2. Sorrow, deep sadness. Example 1. She felt sorrow after her pet died. Example 2. The crows were full of sorrow. 3. Strength, power of body or mind. Example 1. The wrestler has great strength. Example 2. The crows had no strength to fight the cobra. 4. Wisdom, good sense, knowledge. Example 1. The old man is known for his wisdom. Example 2. The crows used wisdom to make a plan. 5. Swiftly, quickly, with speed. Example 1. The rabbit ran swiftly. Example 2. The crow flew swiftly with the necklace. 6. Recover, to get back. Example 1. He recovered his lost book. Example 2. The guards tried to recover the necklace. 7. Fierce, very strong, violent. Example 1. The lion is a fierce animal. Example 2. The guards killed the fierce cobra. 8. Peace, quiet and calm state. Example 1. I like to study in peace. Example 2. The crows lived in peace after the cobra died. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.